In this movie, I will show you how to import a CAD geometry into Abaqus and create a finite element mesh. We'll do this using the File Import option. So we go to Import, select Part, and then we have to find our CAD model. And in this example, the CAD model has been prepared in the step format. So here I select the model. You'll see that this pop-up box shows some options. So if we don't change the options, what we'll end up with is lots of individual parts for this model. So we need to click on Combine into Single Part and Merge the solid regions. So when we do this and click OK, Abaqus will read it in and fix it. So there's the model. Now we want to create a finite element mesh, so we need to go to the meshing options. First thing to do is to select the seeds for the mesh. Now I've had a look at this previously, and the best option for this model is 2. This will give elements around about the same size as the facets on the CAD model. Next we go to Mesh Controls and select tetrahedral elements and click OK. So we can see here we need to select the region to do the meshing. So this is done here. And another option is to choose quadratic elements. So this has already been done. The next step is to click Mesh Part. Is it okay to mesh the part? Yes, we click. And here we have a finite element model of our CAD geometry imported from a CAD package.